YouTubers, Crazy Kate here. Today we're going to be doing a tour of my downstairs in my new house. Had nothing else to do. Of course, we just got here. Boxes everywhere. Boxes. Drywall. Stairs. Spooky. Ladder. Washer. A basket. A toilet that I broke. Over here is my room. Over here is my brother's room. Over here is our living room that's not done yet. Hello? Are we there? Are you there? You there? Hello? Anybody up there? Light. What does light look like on camera? Let's get a closer look. Just grab the ladder. Light. Bright light. It's just a little come on with. Can I fix that? It's where it's not like that. I just had it. Just get it at the right spot. Oh. Almost got it. Let's go up another step. There we go. Just a coil. Scary. Christmas tree. Nails. Trophy. Oh yeah, let's get a dog. His name is Diesel, very friendly. Diesel! D! Come on, bud. It's my baby. There we go. Very friendly little baby. He's my little baby. You're my little baby. Hey. Come here. Hi, Diesel. Yeah. You're a good boy. What are you whining about? Is that a yawn or something? Hey, D. Diesel. D. Diesel, come here. Hey. Sit. Diesel, sit. Good boy. Good jump. Come on, jump. Sit. No. Sit down. Sit down. Diesel. Don't shake your head. No, sit down. Sit. Whatever. Hey, Diesel. Yeah. You wanna rock? Yeah. Bye, YouTubers. I'll see you next week or tomorrow. In the next video, we will be doing a tour of upstairs. Diesel! Say goodbye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. I take that sniff as a yes.